Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can watch Zeus Network on PS5. So there are multiple methods that I will share in this video. First of all, use media section if available in your region or app store. So for that, just go to media tab on your PS5. Search for Zeus. If found, download and install and just enjoy it. The second method, browser broadcasting. Use your iPhone or Android to stream Zeus via browser or app. Cast or AirPlay to a Chromecast or Apple TV connected to your TV. Your TV display Zeus via ps5 handles gaming separately. So this is the second method. The third one is remote disturb or remote play. You could remote into another device, PC or phone, running Zeus and mirror it. But this is laggy and not ideal. So these are the three methods that I have shared in this video. You can use any one of them. Thank you for watching.